How to log in YouTube Kids account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To get yourself YouTube Kids, it is pretty simple. Just tap open your Play Store in your Android device or your App Store if you're using an iOS device. Search for YouTube Kids. Tap on the install button available. Make sure to wait until the application is downloaded successfully. Once installed, you can tap on the open bubble given to you. Now let's start to set up our YouTube Kids account. Firstly, it starts with a login. Tap on Get Started. Then tap on the arrow button and select on Sign In after choosing a preferable Google account. Then, just scroll down or tap on the More button at the bottom of the dashboard. Select on Done. Enter a password that is associated with a Google account and tap on the Confirm button. Now, it's time to set up your kids account. Enter the name, the age, then the birth month. Tap on the arrow once you are done from here. Then select the recommended content, then tap on Select. Wait for it to load up. Now your profile has been created successfully. To continue viewing, you can go ahead and check out some of the parent feature tour that is by default of YouTube Kids. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the icon and you are all set to check out all of the kid-friendly content that will be enjoyable for your toddler. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.